among of you doesn't like cheese or doesn't love cheese? Oh, really? Let's be honest, the mere existence, the taste of a good cheesecake is already enough reason to love it. If it is rich, not too sweet, if you choose the right one and it contains one of the most loved dairy products on earth called cheese. Make your own version of blueberry cheesecake. Do it now with a nasal all-purpose cream, very blueberry. Treat your family with this simple cheesecake recipe from us. Recipe with a twist. Learn creamy recipe now. Incredibly creamy, sumptuous treats. Making this blueberry cheesecake is very easy and simple as that because you are just going to crumble those biscuits of any kind of biscuits that you are going to make in this lower part of the cheesecake. And once you are done making it all crumbs, you have to put some butter on it all together and mixed well. And after this, we are going to mix it in the mixer, the all-purpose cream, two packets of it, and one Philadelphia cheese to make it more creamy on top. And of course, the most finale is the blueberry or the blueberry jam that you are going to put on top of it as the toppings. And that's it. Just as easy as that, diba? And put it in the fridge. After some hour, you can eat it and it's ready to serve. And here I'm just going to share with you a little bit of cheesecake history. So the cheesecake was originated while cheesecake molds dated to 2000 before Christ. Oh really? Have been discovered. The first cheesecake recipe credited to Athenaeus in 230 AD in it. Wow. It means it was so long time ago. Cheese was pounded until smooth and pasty, mixed with honey and spring wet flour before being baked, cooled and served. Who do you think really the one who invented the first cheesecake? Wow, the earliest attested mention of a cheesecake is by the Greek physician Aegimus on the 5th century, who wrote a book on the art of making cheesecakes. I have read it in a book that the first cheesecakes are thought to have been made in ancient Greece and consisted of wet flour, pounded cheese, and honey. And can you guess or do you have any idea how long does the blueberry cheesecake last? Guess what? If you really had a happy tummy in eating cheese or sweets, it will really stay for 5 days. The cheesecake will last up to 5 days in the refrigerator. Really, yes. It's best to keep it on the original container and tightly wrapped in plastic wrap. It had been opened. For best results, keep your cheesecake in the freezer until the night before you'd like to serve it. So, diba? Happy tummy and bon appetit! And that ends my vlog again for my recipe in baking, my creative baking. Thanks for always watching and supporting my channel. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Stay safe.